Welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll be exploring the North Macedonian local food,
Okay.
especially vegetarian, and we are exploring two
Thank you
big
so much.
major cities, that is
Tutti
Skopje
frutti.
and Ohrid. Most of the foods that we have covered here are from the old bazaar in Skopje.
These are like the proper authentic old shops, dessert shops, and they have all the Turkish sweets, Albanian sweets, halwas. It's called parachute. Maybe it was meant something in the earlier days, but since a lot of tourists eat it now, it's called parachute. It's filled with, I think it's very high quality cookie, which is filled with the vanilla cream. So let's
ಮುರಿಲಿಕತ್ತದ.
taste. Yeah, it is very fragile, very soft. Let's taste this now. It is so cloudy, nutty. It has so much walnut. Yeah, it's so nutty. It's with walnut. Selling like salted peanuts and a lot of snacks is a culture here. We just bought a simit now. We are supposed to eat a burek, but we are still trying to figure out a good shop. This is simit. Simit is like a bread. Yeah, and we took a chili flavored simit. This is for 30 dinars.
She said it's yusk. We heard it's yusk. This is like a filled wafer filled with nuts, and this is baklava.
It's a type of baklava. It's filled with walnuts inside and flaky phyllo sheets on the outside. It does not taste anything like that I've had before, but the other baklavas, because it's of very supreme quality. I don't know how to explain it, but this one is so good.
Actually, really good. I think it has no sugar.
Yeah.
It's dates, anjeer, all other dry fruits. Maybe this is a tutti frutti.
Yeah, tutti frutti.
Yeah.
So it's very mildly sweet and yeah, it's between the wafers. It tastes a lot like kardant, Gokak kardant if you have tried it before. But just nuts, some jelly stuff and wafers. We found a cafe. Um, these are called kafana or kefana if I'm not wrong. So these are like really old style social places where people sat down together and enjoyed their coffee. Yes, for me. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Wow. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. Turkish tea and my husband Turkish coffee in the full Balkan style cafe roadside. Tulumba is like you can compare it to jamun and jalebis because it is fried dough which is soaked in the sugar syrup, and also we have one pistachio baklava. Here baklavas, like the nut baklavas are cheap, but the pistachio baklavas are actually expensive. This one is costing us 60 dinar, which is like 1 euro, and this one is for 30 dinar. There are so many options for the non-vegetarian, but as a vegetarian your options get limited. But however, we took the shopska salad for 160 dinar, which is nearly less than 3 euros, and we took one portion of the pepper. It's very popular here, grilled peppers, one bread, and see, you can see once the meat starts, then there is no end on the menu. But we took one of these beans on the pot. It's called tevche grevche, which is beans in the tawa. Tevche is tawa and grevche is grieved bean. This is tartar, which is a creamy dip with garlic tadka on it. That's my husband. We finished our lunch. It was altogether 600 dinar, which is 10 euros. And such a deal because 10 euro is like one portion if you eat outside in any other European country. but definitely I think Balkan. So food is quite affordable, and food was of so good quality. The beans, the tevche grevche, to be honest, it does not taste exceptional. It is baked beans, but the baking is done in a specific way, so it gives it a very different sort of like flavor. You can see a lot of such restaurants. See, they are making the bread. I'll be very honest, it's not the food that you'll go crazy for, but it's the food that your soul will be satisfied with and your body will be happy with. They said this is gyomleza, which is Ohrid speciality. €1 for one piece. Let us try it out. The local told us that it takes a lot of time to make these. This is just flour, salt, and oil. So it tastes a lot like salty chapati, to be honest, but the upper layer is crusty and the inner layers are soft and tender. I like that there's a savory vegetarian dish after all the sweets that I've tried now. This is again another Turkish shop which is selling teas here. We have come to try Turkish delight. Oh, there are no delights today, only chocolates here. Pineapple saffron, and that is apple.
So, cheers.
He likes saffron, so he's switching it with me. We bought the kadais. It's so expensive, €4 for this piece. But I think it's the wrong shop. We shouldn't go to random shops and buy random stuff. You have to go to the proper non-touristy local shops, then probably it is affordable. But it is really good. It's called kadaif. Basically, same filling that goes in baklava, but this one is not wrapped with phyllo sheets. This is wrapped with sevia, vermicelli. Yeah. But really good.